Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you are viewing for the first time, right? English with Bhavana. So before starting with the last part of punctuation today, I would request you to go to the first and second part if you haven't watched my video yet. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Stay tuned, stay happy, English with Bhavana. Let's get started with the part 3 of punctuations. Now punctuation is very important as I have said you in before classes as well. Punctuation will also help you to enhance your skill, writing skills as well. Punctuation is something which will, give an attractive writing feeling to you as well. And when you're reading any of the novels or great writer books, you will understand how well and how important role the punctuations are playing. So punctuation can change the complete meaning of the sentence as well. So it depends on you how you use it and how correctly you use it. That also matters a lot, right? So let's get started, and I know after this video, at the end of the video, you will be able to understand what are punctuation and how to use and the different types of punctuation also. Your doubts would be clear. So please stay tuned on this video so that you understand well. Let's get started. Now, for today, we will be learning semicolon first. What is semicolon? Semicolon is nothing but it's a dot and a comma. Okay? Dot or comma को हम बोलेंगे semicolon. Now, semicolon in short to understand is what we use it instead of conjunctions. We are using it instead of conjunctions. Now, conjunctions are what? It joins two words, two phrases, or two clauses, or two sentences in short. Okay? Now, example. I went to see a movie with my best friend. It's a one sentence. I felt it was amazing. He felt it was boring. So why I'm putting semicolon over here? So if I would have used it a conjunction, what I would used over here? I went to see a movie with my best friend. I felt it was amazing, but he felt it was boring, right? Now when you want to sound more attractive and you want to be a English expert, then what can you use? You can use semicolon instead of that. You can use semicolon, right, instead of conjunction. Now I went to the grocery store today. I bought a ton of fruit, right? Then you can put a semicolon because you're listing out the fruits now. Apples, comma, grapes, comma, and pears were all on sale. She didn't see the other car coming. Okay, again semicolon. Now her car has a huge dent. However, her car has a huge dent. Therefore, you can say anything. So you're using the semicolon instead of what? Instead of a conjunction. In short, instead of a conjunction. Let's go to the part library. So let's go to the library. As there are 15 books, I would like to take out. Alright, as there are 15 different books and all that, I would like to take out. So that's what I'm saying. You can use semicolon instead of conjunction. So if I don't use semicolon over here, I would have said let's go to the library as. So हम as use कर लेते, ठीक है? Or because anything, we can use a conjunction as per the content. But where we are not using conjunction, what we can do to sound more attractive or better writer, if you want to be and you want to be a punctuation expert, you can start using punctuations wherever it's required as per the requirement. And please make sure you use it correctly, and you can use it correctly where you are paying attention to this video, right? Yes. So let's go to the library, semicolon. There are 15 books. Okay. I would like to take out. Next. So now let's go to the colon. Now what is colon? Colon is nothing but it's two dots, we say it as. Okay, it's a very good punctuation. If you use it correctly, it will really help you out to enhance your skills as well. Now colon is used for what? To introduce information, and it is mostly used after an independent clause. An independent clause is what? As the word is independent, it makes complete sense. It does not have to depend on dependent clause. It makes complete sense individually. Okay. Example, whenever you drive, you must obey the following. Now there is a colon. Why? Because now you're listing down the things. You're listing down the rules. Wear your seatbelt, obey traffic laws, and keep your eyes on the road. Understood? You can pick me up now. Again, there is a colon. I'm feeling much better. Okay, after independent clause, there is a colon. Okay, the world as a stage. It's a well-known saying. By whom? You can find it out and use the comment box to answer me. Play your role well. So you're introducing something, then you're putting again a colon. So I hope you have understood the semicolon and colon as well. Semicolon, we use it when when we need to, colon we use it when we need to introduce something, and semicolon we use it most of the time, obviously, instead of conjunctions. So for any further doubts related to any of the punctuation, reach out to me using my email ID, or you can reach out to me to comment box. And if your exams are coming nearby and you have any doubts, you can again reach out to me. Okay, so I hope your punctuations is completely clear and you don't have any other doubts in punctuation. And also keep practicing, keep answering, keep asking me your questions as well. And anything you want me to come further, you can just put a comment. I will definitely try to come as soon as with that video as possible. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned, stay happy, and don't worry, as per my commitment, as I said you, I would be coming in a week thrice, that is Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and at times there would be a surprise video too on Saturdays or Sundays. Let's see when it is, right? Okay, stay tuned. English with Bhavana. Bye bye.